Guys, we got a pretty interesting start to the day. We got the Koenigsegg XS at the Mandarin Oriental here in central Milan. Now we're rolling. I smell the fumes. The Pagani Raduno is still in full effect, so we're gonna hop back in the X3. Hold on. Oh, yeah. We got leapers. Yes. Hell yes, son. Casually strolling over to the Koenigsegg Agera XS. I didn't realize there are this many spotters in Milan. They're probably out from the out of the country as well, including me. But there it is in all its glory. Spotters are on top of the game here. All right, we're gonna have the Uno and the XS and the King Tasma rolling through here, guys. Here we go. Hey. Just doing a quick photo shoot in the morning before the Raduno begins, but we got the Koenigsegg XS rolling through, and there are a ton of spotters here. Holy shit. Everyone's ready. Alright guys, we're back at it again. We're at the Zagato Museum and Factory. Now we got the Ferrari 166 that they managed to recreate through old photos because this car was particularly lost in time and destroyed. Now, they're going to be celebrating their 100th anniversary next year in 2019. So, yeah, third generation custom bespoke coach builders. Just got the VIP treatment here at the Zagato Museum. Got the ISO Revolta concept that was built for the Gran Turismo game for Sony. This was debuted at the Tokyo Motor Show, I believe, and I think I seen it at the LA Motor Show. I'm not entirely sure. There it is, wheeled out just for us. Super nice, guys. I'm gonna give you a little history lesson on most of these cars here, to the best of my knowledge. But I gotta film this first before they wheel this sucker back. It's not gonna be just a static car. It's gonna be a fully working production model. They're gonna sell around 3 to 5 units, I believe. Not entirely sure, but man, wait for it. It's the signature Zagato double bubble right over there, and got the exhaust. I'm pretty sure this is based off the chassis of a Corvette. All right, we got to the bottom of the mystery. It's on a bespoke Japanese chassis. It's gonna have an American V8 engine, producing 997 horsepower. It's got a dry weight of 2,500 pounds. Supposedly it's going to do 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds, so pretty damn light, pretty damn quick. Top speed 227 miles. So yep, they're going to actually build this into a fully working production model. The ISO Revolta by Zagato, and check out the exhaust right here. I can see right through it right here as well. The rear lights are pretty sick, and of course we got these on the P0s. Quick tour of some of the cars here at the museum. We got the Maserati Zagato Grand Sport bespoke interior, and of course we got the double bubble signature around the rooftop right there. Got the Zagato Lamborghini based off the Diablo. This was supposed to be the next Murcielago, but those plans got scrapped in the 90s when Lamborghini got bought out. So there were 12 working models. Those got destroyed. This is the one and only remaining working fully production model. That was supposed to be the next Murcielago, and yep, and of course, this too has the signature double bubble on the roof lining right up there. Fun factoid, so all the newer Zagatos, they put the Z or the Z on the side right there. Now, all the classic cars, they put it on the side as well, but they write out Zagato. And when they build a car, they leave the front insignia empty, so they can leave to the manufacturers to put their emblem there. Maserati, Lamborghini, Aston Martin, or whoever it may be. Got some of the more classic cars on this end over here. Quick pan of them. Ooh, that's a really long name. Check that out. And of course, got another ISO Revolta Zagato right over here. Oh, there you go. Zagato Milano. On the side, Aston DB7 Zagato right over here. And we got the Aston Maserati Mostro. Now, we've seen one of these in Japan without a wing. This one's the racing variant. Check out this massive carbon fiber ring. Now we're rolling, guys. We're in business, much more aggressive. And of course, we got the ISO Revolta concept, and we got the Alfa Romeo Zagato right over here. Pretty sick. It's got a V10 underneath. Check out the rear, boom, and of course the signature double bubble on the roofline. As with most Zagatos, the interior is perfect. It's white, and the shift knob right over there, can't really see it, but it's red. Good lord. Get a front view of this sucker right here, and boom. Absolutely gorgeous. Final panning shot of all the cars lined up here. Boom. There you guys have it. The Zagato Museum / showroom. If you guys are enjoying this footage, it's a lot different than what I usually film, but hey, you gotta appreciate every manufacturer. All right, guys, check out our hotel. It's Ferrari inspired. We got reception, bar, self-service, pizzeria, everything you need in one hotel and one roof. Got the dining facilities in this hallway full of Ferrari memorabilia. Check out this model car right here, guys. It's absolutely massive. It's FXX. Of course, this whole hotel is Ferrari inspired, so check that out. Pretty neat. Well, we're back at the Pagani factory and museum here. We got a special treat. We got the Zonda HP Barchetta that we saw at Car Week, and it was being shipped around to multiple Pagani dealerships around the world for unveilings and what have you. It's got the wheel cover with the blue wheels, and we got a Huayra with a Tempesta package out front. In the rear, there's a couple of Zondas that are on the rally. We stopped by the Ferrari Museum and Factory and the Lambo factory, but didn't really see much. So pretty nice surprise on our last day in Italy here. So soak it in, baby.